welcome to this breathing practice. Today I'm going to teach you box breath. This is an amazing breathing practice to do if you want to neutralize your nervous system. So perhaps you're feeling a little bouncy or anxious. This is going to help lower and neutralize your nervous system. Or if you're feeling kind of low and really calm and you need to bring your energy up, it's going to neutralize and bring you up. So you can do it any time of the day, whenever you need to. It just takes a few minutes. So what we do with box breath is we're basically inhaling and exhaling while drawing the sides of a box. I'll start here. We'll inhale for 4 counts, and we're using that diaphragm. So we're starting here, allowing the diaphragm to expand, and then your ribs, your back, and then the intercostal muscles. Then we'll exhale as we draw this side of the box, and then we inhale for 4 counts and exhale. So 2 full breaths equal 1 box breath. And we are going to do 4 box breaths together. I'll go ahead and I will demonstrate it, and then I'll do it with you. So here we go. We inhale. That's 1 box breath. So make sure you're in a nice seated position, and let's do 4 together. I'll talk you through the first one, I'll do it with you the second, talk it through the third, and I'll do it with you the fourth. Here we go. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is your box breath. I hope that you can use it at any time that you need to neutralize your nervous system out.